Mothers and fathers are the yin and yang of parenting. Similar and different at the same time, and when combined, they can be a well-rounded whole. When both parents provide safe, nurturing care, their different styles and influences are good for their children. Women will parent different as mothers, and men will parent different as fathers. But what are the differences that moms and dads have in their parenting styles? And why do moms and dads have different parenting styles? The Family Center in Lethbridge is a non-profit organization that works to strengthen and develop families in southwestern Alberta. They played host to an Apple Talk event that focused on discussing the differences between parenting styles. Dr. Robin Gibb, a neuroscientist at the University of Lethbridge, says the brain is a major reason why moms and dads parent differently from each other because each gender has a different brain.
The blue connections are within a hemisphere, and that's largely how men's brains are hooked up, and the women's brains are connected across. One of the most important things I would want parents to focus on is that loving, nurturing relationship with their children. Starting right from the time the baby's even in utero, you can start developing a connection, reading stories, reminding yourself that that baby's brain is growing and developing, and the more that you interact with the child, the better off the development will be. And really avoiding the conflict in front of a child, the toxic stress, because toxic stress can really put brain development on hold. It can prevent a child from learning and realizing their full potential.
Leslie Barker, a health promotion facilitator with Alberta Health Services Early Childhood Team, says that there are noticeable parenting differences between moms and dads if you observe them. For example, have you ever noticed how male and female parents play with their child? Mom usually leans towards quieter activities such as reading, crafts, games, and puzzles, whereas dad likes more risk-taking and rough-and-tumble physical play. Barker had another good example of a parenting difference that she notices.
When moms pick up that baby, they're scooping them up and they're bringing them in. And they're close to their heart and they're close to their face. So they're breathing together and they're right there. And they're kind of giving that little baby the message, you know, you're safe here with us. You're okay. We're all together. Dads? Ever watch dads with those little guys? They got them on the hip. They're facing out. We're heading off to the world together. When we're talking about parenting, moms and dads do parent different, and that's okay as long as they're both providing safe and nurturing care. When parents do have a different approach, children can learn a lot from that. And it helps them to learn that there's many different options in ways to behave, to think, to understand the world and approach the world.
Lavon Rideout, a community development coordinator with the Early Child Development Mapping Project Alberta, thinks it is vital for families to be socially connected in community and reminds parents that there is always somewhere to go for help if they need it.
One of my takeaways would be that we all are responsible to create nurturing, caring environments for our young children, whether it be us as parents or whether it's us as neighbors. Caring communities need to be created so that we can all work together to create that nurturing, healthy environment to raise good kids. So building healthy kids actually builds healthy families, which creates healthy communities.
Brad Moser, a counselor at the Family Center and also a supporter of the Alberta Father Involvement Initiative, sees the role of dads being revamped in a new and exciting way, and he calls it the Super Dad Movement.
Super Dads are dads that say that they will not settle for second place when it comes to their kids. They are going to take all the responsibilities within the home, within raising the children, and they're going to split them 50-50 with their wives, their co-parents, the moms of their children. Dads and moms parent differently, but they have the same love and same care and involvement, and when those things are in place, it is optimal for children's development.